Good morning, sir. My name is Manmohan Shukla, Electrical Engineering Branch, BTech third year. Uh, I am pursuing my Bachelor of Technology degree in Electrical Engineering in Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, in which up to 6 semester I get the CGPA total of 7.34 out of 10. I have completed my schooling of 10th standard and 12th standard from St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, in which I get 91 percent marks on 10th standard and 86% mark on 12th standard. So I will first reading the question and then I will provide a solution to solve it. So here the question says, given a reference of a node in a connected undirected graph, return a deep copy clone of graph. Okay. So in this question, it is given that I have the a graph is provided. I have to create a deep copy in which I have to create new nodes, new connection for the same value and with the same direction and connection, but on a different node and different in different structure. I have to clone the graph fully here, or the graph looks same, but the node position will be different. So first, in this, I will create a vector of node star in which I will be storing the node the whole node in the vector with the index value of their node value, as it is given that nodes have unique value, then it will be not any problem for storing different at at index or at a certain index a clone where the index it signifies the value of that clone node. Okay. So first I will create a clone node where I will be using the node val which will be given in the question, and then I will register it in the new node register where node register clone where in at clone val index I will be storing clone node. Then I will doing for iteration over the whole actual graph. I will doing DFS in which it contains two inputs. One is the actual node and other is the clone node. In this, I will be using depth first search. First, I will be iterating to the neighbor neighbor of the actual node and seeing if that neighbor's value is registered in node register or not. If it is not registered, then it is certainly the thing. It is certain that the in I have not cloned the node yet of that value. So first I will create a new node and with the neighbor value, then I will be storing in the at the neighbor value index in the new node register that node. Then I will be pushing back that new node to the clone's neighbor, and then I will call a DFS function with DFS and neighbor comma new node. If it is a case where I have created a node, then I will only be creating a connection. For this, I will be pushing pushing the node to the clone, and for accessing that node, I will be using neighbor's value in the. I will be writing node register square bracket neighbor's value for accessing that that clone node. I will be using that neighbor's value as both have same value but different position. So in this, I can create a new connection without creating a new node. In this way, I will be use clone the graph. Thank you.